Hi guys, it's Gwen Fox, and I am so thrilled that you're here. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so, because I would love to have you. So today's video is going to be on something that was just fun for me. It was taking a painting that I had literally wiped off, but the image was still there. And I wanted to see if I could do collage over it, yet still keep the image. I had fun. It was a lot of fun. Now, is it a good painting? No, it's not going to a gallery because it's all off. But I learned a lot, and I want to share with you how it's done. So I challenge you to do something similar just to see if you like doing it, because doing something new is very, very creative and it opens up new doors. So enjoy the video. Here's the painting that I've decided to do. It's a painting that I had wiped off. I've just got a little bit of it left, so I'm going to collage over it. I've added some black outline. I am adding, because this is an oil, I'm putting on my collage with cold wax and not matte medium. And I'm just putting the collage paper just anywhere I want. It doesn't really matter at this point. So I just want it to cover part of the face, and then I can come back in and do whatever it is I want to the face. This is going to be a very loosey-goosey type thing. Is this going to be one that goes to the gallery? No, because this is a fun thing. I am testing the waters. I'm seeing, do I like to do this? Would this work if I was serious on doing this? Maybe with a pot of flowers. I don't know. But this was the way for me to do it in order to see if I wanted it. But I'm doing it over a painting that didn't work, and I'm not going to do anything with this, even though it may turn out, it may not, but it's not going anywhere. Now, I thought I would try to put a stencil on. It didn't work. As you can see, it did not work. And so I'm now having to come in, and I'm having to clean out my brush, and I'm kind of cleaning it up, wiping it off, because it didn't work. It was a good idea. And I think had it worked, it would have been fabulous. But it didn't work. So, just is what it is. Okay, now I've decided to start it on painting. I'm painting over the collage. I'm just painting. I'm serious when I say I don't have a clue what I'm doing, because I'm having fun. This is an experiment, guys. You need to do experiments. Now, I obviously thought that I was going to do more of the stencil, but I've given up on the stencil, although I have to say, if the stencil had worked, I think it would be quite fabulous. So I'm just painting a little bit. I'm not going to paint the whole thing, but I'm painting what I think is going to enhance. I want the clothing to kind of drip, so I'm having to pick it up, let it drip, add Gamsol to this, because this is an oil, because I have to paint oil over an oil. I can't do the acrylic over the oil. And so I'm setting it up so that the drips will appear. Now I'm adding the collage paper. I'm trying to decide where to put it. Where would be the best place for it? So I move it around, trying to figure this out, thinking about it. And then I decide, I think maybe up there would be good. So that's where I'm going to put that pretty large piece of collage paper. Then I add some writing up at the top, and I think I'm going to do a black. But where am I going to put it? Is it going to be like this? But that looks very much like the top shape. So I don't think I want that. So I've got to think about it. So I've decided I'm just going to put on the other collage paper, and then I can see how things look. So now I'm moving the paper around, and all of a sudden I think, I think it needs to be this way. This looks better to me. So this is how I'm going to put the black. And this is the final painting. Is it good? You know what? I like the writing on the face. I don't know about you guys, but I think the collage really adds something. Is this a good painting? No, not necessarily. But it's a painting that I think it's going to work. It's for the next painting. To be able to do collage over a painting and make it work. So this is just an idea for you guys to do. Take out a painting that you've wiped off or you've sanded and go for it. Add collage. See if you can't make it work. Let's see if this is something that you enjoy doing, because we love doing things that are different. And we've got to keep that up in order to keep our creativity alive. So I'll see you in the next video. I love you. Take care.